Hey, what's up, YouTube? Clifford Phillip here, back at it again. For today's video, our topic is ways to increase your home value. Unless you own a hedge fund or a business, for most people, most homeowners, their home is their biggest asset. Whether you want to sell that home or even build equity into that home, these are some ways to increase your home value. Let's get to it. All right, so I have my notes here just so I don't leave anything behind. First thing first, make sure your home first appearance is appealing. Landscaping, get your driveway done. Paint or pressure wash, whichever one that's necessary. Kitchen, from painting a cabinet to remodel the whole kitchen, get that kitchen done. That's a plus. Bathroom, you could refurbish the bathtub, change the sink, or even remodel the whole bathroom. That's up to your budget. Appliances, the newer, the better. Floor, from vinyl floor, hardwood floors, or tiles. Energy efficient upgrades, from LED lights to solar panel. If necessary, go bigger. Add square footage to that home. New windows and doors, that adds a lot of values to your home. If you have an unfinished basement, make sure you get it done. Don't let your roof get to the 20 years mark. The new AC, and also if you want to add smart features to your home, that's perfect. Well, there you have it. These are some ways you could add value into your home. Please take care of your asset. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.